it is not just to buy a land, it is also to make sure that your land is allocated to you. And yes, at Jani Properties, we follow the process. We don't just sell those lands to you. We follow the process to make sure that you get your lands allocated to you and also your documents given to you. Hello, my name is Jacinta and I'm live at the physical allocation at our commercial land, the Wealthy Place. This is a very valuable land that is strategically located in Ibejulekki, directly facing the Lekki Free Trade Zone road. In close proximity where we have the Lekki Free Trade Zone, the Lekki Deep Sea Port, we also have the Dangote Refinery and many commercial activities around here. So this property has a title CFO and we are working tirelessly to make sure that we deliver this estate to you. And today is a physical allocation and I know you are very excited to watch this video. So if you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on amazing videos like this. So we are ready for the physical allocation. Let's get going. Told you previously that at Jani Properties, we don't just sell that land to you. We make sure that your land and your documents are given to you and your lands are allocated to you. So apologies, I can't show the name due to privacy. So I say special congratulations to my dearest clients that got his plot allocated today. If you're yet to own a commercial land, I really don't know what you're waiting for. If you just own residential land, your real estate portfolio is yet to be complete. You also need to own commercial land and you need to own it in a strategic located area like Ibejulekki. This estate is strategically located where we have the Lekki Deep Sea Port. So this place, you can build warehouses, you can build office complexes, you can also do whatever commercial activities you want to do here. So give me that call on 090 1259 4511. And thank you all for watching this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on amazing videos like this. Till I come your way next time, keep investing in real estate.